two parts of the home buying process that I get a lot of questions about are, what is the difference between a home inspection and an appraisal? So first is a home inspection. Once you're under contract on a property, we're going to have an inspector come out and do a thorough assessment of the property to learn the details about its condition. Then the inspector will write up a report on the HVAC system, plumbing, electrical, roof, and just about everything else in between. We can use this to get a clearer picture of what you're buying and to negotiate potential repairs with the seller. Second is the appraisal. The appraisal is ordered by the lender, and this tells you and your lender your home's value. It protects you from overpaying, and it protects the bank from lending you more money than the home may be worth. And if there's any gap between the contract price and the appraisal, we'll negotiate closing that gap with the seller. Have questions about other home buying terms or steps? Just reach out.